Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix a problem where your MacBook is keeps restarting. Okay, I'm going to teach you in just a few steps. So let's get started. So guys, if your MacBook keeps restarting, there might be some problems on your MacBook, guys. So you can actually follow these steps that I'm going to teach you, and some are might not work on you, but there are some that is possibly will work on your side. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing, guys, to fix that problem, guys, if your MacBook keep restarting, so first thing you need to do, of course, the issue might be you need to update your software, you need to update your application, of course, the malware. Okay, so the second, guys, so in order to do that, guys, you need to update those applications, okay, your software, your malware. And second is, you know there might be problem with your RAM, SSD, and of course your MacBook is reheating or overheating, guys. And take some time your MacBook to rest. And of course there might be problem with your devices. You can plug it out, guys, and shut down your MacBook, and restart it. And if these things, guys, still doesn't work, guys, you can go to some MacBook store, or computer literate, guys. You can ask them for assistance how to fix your MacBook, why it keeps restarting. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.